Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I have a turkey recipe that packs all the flavor and juiciness you expect from the perfect turkey. Not only is this roasted turkey recipe foolproof and easy to make, it will exceed expectations as a centerpiece for your Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner.
Preparing the turkey.
So I use the Butterball brand. If you visit their website, they have a turkey calculator where you can work out, based on the number of pounds of turkey, how many guests can be served, how long it takes to thaw, as well as how long it takes to cook. If you are using a different brand, follow their cooking instructions on the package. For my 12-pound Butterball turkey, I was able to feed 8 guests. It took 3 days to thaw in the fridge, and it took 3.5 hours to cook with no stuffing. So the first thing that we are going to do is to remove the plastic packaging from the thawed turkey. If your turkey was frozen, thaw in the fridge 24 hours for every 5 pounds of turkey. I like to give myself 1 extra day just to be safe. Also, make sure and remove the thawed turkey from the fridge 1 hour before roasting to let it come to room temperature. Next, remove all the turkey parts from the cavities. The liver, the heart, the gizzard will be from the small neck cavity of the turkey, as well as the neck may be found in the large body cavity. Put the parts aside and you can use them to make gravy, soup and stuffing, or even just discard it. After I have removed all the parts, I would drain the cavities of any liquids. Now, not everyone may do this, but I usually wash the turkey under clean running water to ensure that it's clean and to remove any blood and any icy water that was on it. If you are doing this, please ensure that you sanitize the sink properly so as to kill all bacteria afterwards. Next, I will place my turkey in a roasting pan with the breast side up. Now go ahead and pat your turkey as dry as possible, both inside and outside the turkey, with as many paper towels as needed. You may also need to wipe your roasting pan completely dry as well. At this point, if you are using homemade or store-bought stuffing, go ahead and stuff the big body cavity of your turkey. Do not pack it in, as the stuffing will expand during baking and an overstuffed bird will take longer to cook. Just a note, for this quick video, I did not stuff my turkey. So one of the last things to do is, if you have any excess skin at the base of your cavity, be sure to cut that off, as well as ensure that your legs are tied. If your legs have been tied already, that's fine. If it's not, or if it has been broken, you can always retie the legs or tie the legs with kitchen twine if necessary.
The spice butter mixture.
Please see the description box down below for the exact quantities that I've used for this turkey rub. But basically what it is, it's a couple of tablespoons of melted butter, salt, freshly grated ginger and garlic, ground spices like ground cinnamon and ground clove and ground black pepper, and it's optional if you want to use some Dijon mustard as well. Mix this well in a bowl and now go ahead and brush it on or rub it all over the turkey, both inside and outside. If you have a syringe, you can also inject the turkey rub into the turkey meat, and you can even place it under the skin as well. This is just butter and some spices. Ginger and garlic. Shout out to my girl Lisa for her signature turkey rub recipe. It is a one of a kind and let me tell you, extremely tasty. It does wonders to this turkey. Now once you've placed the turkey rub all over your turkey, marinate for at least half an hour before you bake it. Before we bake it and put it in the oven, I would usually tent it with some foil so as to keep the turkey nice and moist.
Now we're going to roast the turkey.
So now it's time to roast our turkey. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and adjust your oven rack so that the turkey will sit in the center of the oven. If you have an oven-safe meat thermometer, you can insert that deep into the lower part of the thigh without touching the bone. When the thigh is up to temperature and if the turkey is stuffed, move the thermometer to the center of the stuffing. Your turkey is done when the temperature with a meat thermometer is 180 degrees Fahrenheit in the thigh and 170 degrees Fahrenheit in the breast or stuffing. Generally, a good rule of thumb is to roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes per pound. Okay, so ready, set, roast. So once you've preheated your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and slide the roasting pan into the oven. Remember, determine how long to roast the turkey based on its weight. You can see this roasting chart as a guide. As you notice, I've put my turkey in tented with the foil. I would leave it with the foil for about 2/3 of the cooking time and uncover for the last hour. So for example, if I'm cooking my turkey for 3 hours, I would have it tented with the foil or covered with the foil for 2 hours and take off in the last hour for browning. Remember, as I previously mentioned, if you have a meat thermometer and you want to check to see if your turkey is done, the temperature should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Remember, once the turkey is in the oven, thoroughly wash your countertops, cotton boards, and equipment with warm soapy water before proceeding with additional meal preparations.
Resting and carving the turkey.
Once you've taken the turkey out of the oven, remove the foil and let it rest for at least 30 minutes before carving. This is to allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more moist and flavorful. The turkey can rest for up to 1 hour and still stay hot, giving you enough time to work on other parts of the menu. Oh, and don't forget to reserve any drippings and juice remaining in your roasting pan to make that delicious turkey gravy. Bring me a plate, Lucas. Is it cooked through? Yeah?
Yep. Lucas, that plate might fall.
It's moist. So moist. So that's it for my turkey recipe, guys. I hope you all get to try it and let me know what you think about it. Go ahead now and enjoy with all your favorite sides, especially your gravy and cranberry sauce. So that's it for now. Until next time. Praise be to God always. His mercy endures forever. And I just want to leave 1 Thessalonians 5:18 with you. In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you. God bless you.